Understanding pipe insulation, a key concept in home maintenance. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term pipe insulation. This phrase is commonly used in home maintenance and construction. Let's dive in to understand what it means and why it's important. Pipe insulation refers to the material used to cover pipes in homes and buildings. This insulation serves several key purposes. Maintains temperature. It helps keep the water in the pipes at the desired temperature. This is crucial for both hot and cold water lines. Energy efficiency. By maintaining temperature, it reduces the energy required to heat or cool the water, leading to energy savings. Prevents freezing. In cold climates, insulation helps prevent the water in the pipes from freezing, which can cause pipes to burst. There are various types of pipe insulation materials, each with its own benefits. Some common types include foam insulation, lightweight and easy to install, often used in residential settings. Fiberglass insulation provides excellent thermal insulation and is fire resistant. More common in industrial settings. Rubber insulation, resistant to moisture and mold, making it a great choice for humid environments. Insulating pipes is a straightforward process. 1. Measure the pipes. Determine the length and diameter of the pipes to be insulated. 2. Choose the right insulation. Select the insulation material based on your needs. 3. Cut and fit the insulation. Cut the insulation to size and fit it around the pipes. Secure it in place, ensuring there are no gaps. We hope this video has helped you understand what pipe insulation is and why it's a crucial aspect of home maintenance. Whether you're a homeowner or just learning English, this knowledge can be quite useful. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and thank you for watching.